Welcome to the world of real estate in Santa Clarita, where every home tells a story. I'm Connor, your trusted guide in this journey. My passion for real estate is rooted deep within this vibrant community. Born and raised in Santa Clarita, I know this community inside out. I'm not just your real estate agent, but also your neighbor and friend. But don't just take my word for it. Hear it from some of the people I've had the pleasure of working with. They'll tell you about the trust they've placed in me and how I've helped them find their dream homes. These are more than just transactions. They're life-changing experiences, and I'm honored to be a part of them. Beyond the world of real estate, I'm deeply involved in our Santa Clarita community. From volunteering at local events to supporting neighborhood initiatives, my heart lies in serving this place we call home. Because for me, it's not just about selling homes, it's about building a better community for all of us. Now that you know me a little better, I'd love to hear from you. Let's connect and bring your real estate dreams to reality. Follow me on social media for the latest updates. Reach out to me, share your real estate dreams, and let's make them come true together. Because with me, you're not just buying a house, you're finding a home.